So welcome to Aqua Oasis. This is in the Oasis community, newest listing, and this home is perfect if you love to entertain. So before we get to the fun stuff, let me show you the practical things. This area that we're on right now, this patio, is actually a 22,000 gallon cistern that collects rainwater. And also, you can see the home is with the same elevation as the cistern, so we are actually elevated 2 feet. So once in a while when you get those crazy 5-10 year floods, you're fine. Have a hurricane, you're fine. Flooding is not an issue. And also, we're sitting on a double lot. So you can see an expansive backyard. So let's go inside and have a look. You can see this home is pet friendly, kid friendly, grandkid friendly. Come on in. First area that you step into is the living room and kitchen. You know, very important. You can see we have a 2-butt kitchen, or a 3-butt if you go this direction. It's little things that make life look good, right? There's lots of custom woodwork throughout this home. You can see the custom entertainment center and then these custom doors. And let's see what is behind door number 1. Ta-da! Full room. Home is 1,900 square feet. Plenty of room for entertainment. And if that's not enough, let's have a look behind door number 2. For the indoor cocktail pool. So before you get into this pool, you have to, read the warning signs. Sexual harassment in this area will not be reported, however, it will be graded. So keep that in mind when you're in this pool area. If you don't have quite enough space for entertaining, I mean, I only have 3 friends, maybe you have 35, so if you do, you can bring them out here. This area is completely in-screened, so you can enjoy nice evenings, bug-free. So today is actually Good Friday, one of the hottest days of the year, and this area stays very cool, as well as the entire home. It's all double insulated. You have the ventilation systems that suck the air into the house and up towards the top, so you never have that stagnant warm air in this home. So here we are in the guest bedroom. This is a very good size. You can see the high ceilings throughout, and then the split unit ACs in each of the guest bedrooms as well. We have our bathroom. And the second bedroom / poochie room. This is the laundry room, but if you did decide you needed more space for a closet or a second restroom, you can actually move this over here to this garage, because this garage is massive. Is what I like to call a garage / man cave. And again, even though this one's just a garage, it has the double insulation as well. So very cool, perfect, ideal home for the tropics for entertaining, low maintenance, lots of space. This Oasis community, everyone's very friendly. The neighbors all get along. So it's kind of like a block party every day So you don't know if today you're going to be the one hosting or tomorrow it's going to be the neighbor or the next neighbor, but you're always ready, plenty of space for everyone. Everyone gets along very well. They love to entertain, so this would be a good fit for you. Very quiet during the daytime. At nighttime, we do have lots of birds. There is a nature reserve behind us, and we're only 1 mile from town. So if you did want to run to town really quick, you could, or you could have a run man service come and deliver anything to your door within 5 minutes because we're that close. So you have the quiet, the privacy, but then you also have the convenience of being close to town, and you're not isolated like you are in other communities. So you can always get up and go, or just stay here and relax, hang out, and entertain. So that concludes our tour. If you want the best, call Celeste, and we'll get you in here to Casa Aqua.